is we can bring more of your vibe or your self-expression to what we do with that. The options are endless. So here are 4 suggestions for how you think about branding yourself, marking yourself, creating your own identifier. One could be, if you want to bring more of a couture vibe, you could add like use the bind and create like a cameo. If you wanted to create more of a boho vibe, you could take this bind out and create all sorts of swirls and paisleys, yin and yangs. The bind will do that very easily. If you wanted to create more of a subculture, you could make a record and make musical notes. It was interesting to see what the group came up with. So the monogram initials works really well. Other people picked their face. If it wasn't their face, they wanted to use